Hello, I'm David from Winning Solutions. I hope you're having a great day, and thank you for viewing our webpage and templates. At Winning Solutions, we have a huge array of database templates to choose from for almost any business need you have. Buying our developer use versions will get you the entire source code and also allow you to include the template as part of a larger project and customize the database down to the finest detail to meet your company's specific needs. Shrink-wrapped software generally doesn't allow that. You have to use it as is with no customizations. If you don't like the way something works, or want a new feature to be added, or anything of that sort, well, contact customer service. Hopefully they'll get to it in the next update. With Winning Solutions, the licensing is very generous. The app can be used by as many people on as many computers as you want. And applications can be customized to your heart's content by you or anyone else with a knowledge of Microsoft Access. If you don't have this expertise, or know someone who does, Winning Solutions can make any customizations you like, or perhaps build a brand new system from scratch. With Microsoft Access, nothing is ever impossible. If you need it, we can make it happen. Just contact us for a quote. These days, there is understandably a big push for mobile and web-based apps. If that meets your needs better, then we could do that for you too. But Access continues to be a popular tool because it's included with some versions of Microsoft Office, is relatively inexpensive, and is easy to work with for people with limited programming knowledge. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the faculty demo database. So I've already got the whole thing unzipped here. I'm going to open the ACCDE. Actually, I think I already have it open. Now you're going to get the typical Microsoft Access security notice. This is just trying to protect you from macros that might contain harmful information, harmful content, but all of our templates are safe, so I'm just going to go ahead and open. Okay, just a notice saying this demo is fully functional, but of course data will be deleted when you exit, and purchased version doesn't have this limitation. Purchased version, of course, also can be customized to any extent that you need, and we'll see that as we go through. So it's a typical contact database, and this is meant to be expanded upon. It's meant to be customized. So what you're seeing here is by far not the full breadth of what the database can do and what Access can do. I'm going to start in maintain lists. That's where most of our lookup boxes are. So universal data like department, faculty type, level degree, relationship, if it's a case of minor child. And of course, you can have more lists there. You can have lists of majors, you can have lists of committees, whatever. So you can add more lists to this with the full version. And like I said, if you have any Access programming knowledge or know someone who does, this is fully customizable. Even without that version, you can add items to these lists. Okay, so that's the maintain lists. These are going to fuel some of the drop-down boxes that we're going to see. So faculty, obviously the main page, we can do a search. And right now we're basically, there's no faculty in there, so let's go ahead and add one. All right. Again, these drop-down boxes, if these look familiar, these are the lists which we populated in that maintain lists earlier. So these could be changed. It just so happens we have physics in here. Like that. Okay, so we can do this, and we can save a new one. And one other thing you could do, we can, you don't want people just typing anything in here, right? Keep in mind, once you have the full version, we can change these so they only accept phone numbers. So we can change these out for drop-down lists. We have an existing drop-down list, as I said before. We can put a drop-down list for state, because I've seen databases over the years where I've had to go in and clean up data, and I can tell you all the nightmare stories. I've seen states where cities should be, countries where zip codes should be. It's the whole thing. So data integrity is very important. This is kind of my personal thing. And, we can make these. Access has a lot of tools that we can use to kind of tighten this down, where you can't just enter anything willy-nilly. Now, this is a template, so it's meant to be very flexible. So that's the idea there. She's a lecturer. Mathematics, office. Okay, you get the idea. So we're going to go ahead and close this. And of course, now we can search. And you can search, we will search by any boxes that are checked. So you can search by email. If I just search same thing by email, oh, we did put R. Smith. Okay. But if we searched Rita by email, you're not going to find anything there. We could do an exact match or partial match, match as you type. And again, we can add other search fields to this as well. Add new faculty will take us where we were before. Email list, we can send this to an Excel spreadsheet, and it opened up an Outlook window on my other monitor. But that's for if you need to email these lists out. Last thing is reports, and again, you can get these reports. Obviously, are also very generic. They can be customized any way you like, and add logos. Add more reports, edit existing ones. So everything in here can be changed exactly as you need it. So this is not a one-size-fits-all like you see in shrink-wrapped software. This can be customized any way imaginable, and I have to stress that, once you have the full version. Faculty by type, and so on. Okay, so that is the faculty database template. I want to thank you again for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and free tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.